user one.
No, you
okay.
just
Now
need to
we
program
can,
the user.
User,
that.
correct.
This one keypad. You keypad because I use master code. That's why everyone can do.
So
But actually, you use the keypad to arm. This one only arm partition 1. This one only arm partition 2.
Yes,
This one only arm partition 3.
Yes,
but
correct.
if you want to assign user, you have to under user. Okay, this one master code lah. User 1 is all. Then user 2 what you program as?
Inside you go
1212. Okay, you go to partition assign.
So here you know what I said. 1, 2, 3.
This one you pass it to partition 3 ma.
So you are able to assign only partition 3.
Correct. Well, I see
you
you got.
need to enable.
Then this one
Number 2.
This one you program as which partition?
Partition 3.
2. This one partition at partition 2. So you see this one 1. You cannot mark?
Yeah.
That's what you do already.
Yeah, it's already this one.
Oh, this one got zone open.
Okay.
1 2 1 2 cannot access here.
It's
1
already
2 1 2 cannot access
You
here.
don't take it.
Then you do already, huh?
Yeah, it's already this one.
Okay.
Anyway, just
1 2 3 4 is the master always can access.
they are double confirming.